Hello. As you can see, my garden looks kind of bare right now, doesn't it? Well, I harvested a lot of things, pulled up a lot of things that had died. Ooh, was that a gunshot? Someone's probably deer hunting. Probably. We have a lot of deer around here, and I think it is deer season. Look at this. I have 2 pineapples growing. How I got those to grow is I bought pineapple from the store. I cut the top off and I planted it, and it is growing. It's my rosemary and my cornflower plant, my zinnias, my other tomato bush, more sweet potatoes because we harvested the other ones. I canned them. I ended up getting 12 quarts of sweet potatoes. My roses are dying out. Hopefully they'll grow some more. Probably not, it's kind of late in the year. This is carrots. They're coming up. It's cauliflower. It's coming up, and broccoli. I'm going to retry growing those again because the last ones I did it didn't produce. This is beets that's coming up. Now this is for my fall garden, mind you. Potatoes, russet potatoes. More peppers, jalapeno peppers. Wow, there's one that's red. And habanero peppers. See that? I have no idea what this is that's growing, but they are pretty. They are multiplying. Look how much of that. It's taking up all of the garden bed. And they're growing along with my peppers. I also have, see this right there? That is Italian basil or spicy basil. I already dried some of that out and I'm storing it up. And yeah, I'm telling you what, this Italian, what is this? This is not Italian basil. It is Italian something else. Yep, somebody's deer hunting. Oregano. Okay, yes, Italian oregano. That stuff, you can't kill it. It just keeps growing and growing. I pick it all, dry it, and preserve it, put it up. It just keeps coming back. There's my peppermint. Hello, Mr. Lizard. Hello. I accidentally killed a lizard today when I was putting up my camping chairs. Look at this little house. This is a insect house that I got at the farmer's market, and basically what it does is the way he explained is it'll have the good insects will go in and lay their eggs, and it'll help pollinate your garden. So it's got a place for, I guess, ladybugs and things like that, the good pollinators. And it has some cedar chips in there. Those little round things are houses. Butterflies. He's got one for butterflies. And this is also, bees will go in there also. So this is, I don't know if you can see that, that is red cabbage that's coming up. I didn't think it was going to come up, but it is. And then that is kale. I tell you what, those people are shooting awfully close to my property. Probably not good for Serenity to come out here and play. This is peas. And yes, they're coming up. See that? So, that's a tour of what I've replanted for the fall. So, as it comes along, I will keep updating y'all. Hopefully these tomatoes will turn soon. I'm wondering if I should just pick them and let them ripen on their own. That way maybe some more will grow. I have not had a lot of luck with tomatoes this year. Nope, I haven't. These are the last ones. And that'll be it. Okay, see this right here? Kind of tropical looking. That is ginger. This right here is ginger. And how I grew that is the ginger root that I bought in the store, I just planted it. You plant it like you do potatoes. So it's coming along really good. I don't know when I'm supposed to harvest it. I gotta look it up and figure that out, but that is awesome. I'm very, very pleased about that. Alright guys, I will let you go, and I'm gonna go back in because this guy's out here, well, somebody's out shooting because it's deer season, and I've got land all around me, acres of land, and we have a lot of deer around here. They have been coming up in my yard and eating out of my garden too, so that's why we had to put up a fence, so all the way around it. Alright, I will talk to y'all soon, and you guys stay blessed and stay prayed up and keep your head on a swivel, and y'all have a good day. Bye. This is some of my peppers out of my garden. I've got the bell peppers and the habanero, and I think I've got some jalapeno as well. So Katia! That's Katia barking because the people are out next door. Like I said, we have a lot of land around us and deer season is in, and she's barking at the gunshots. So anyhow, I wanted to let y'all know I made fermented salsa today. Katia! It's okay. Made fermented salsa today, and I'm going to link the recipe down below, and I will let y'all know how it turned out. It takes 2 days to make it, so I will be giving y'all an update on that. This is Katia. She's been barking. You a good girl? Yeah. Get down. Sit. No. She's been barking at the gunshots because they're deer hunting, so here's a good girl. Give me a paw. Sit. Sit. Give me a paw. Good girl. Good girl. She's my girl.